What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to my day 3 of saving and investing the sum of 1,000 every single day for the period of 90 days. Of course, this challenge is going to go throughout October, November, and December, right? And then we are going to be cashing out by January 1st, 2026. So before I say any other thing, I want to say congratulations to you that have joined this challenge, and I must say that you are doing great for yourself. And of course, today we have saved another 1,000 using this platform called Cowrywise. All right. Yes. Just like I always say, it is not must that you are going to save the same 1,000 that I'm saving every single day. If you have that money to save 1,000 naira every single day, just like I'm doing, go ahead and do it. But if you do not have enough money so you can be able to be saving that same 1,000 every single day for the period of 90 days, remember, this is going to last for 90 days, not 30. This is not a 30-day challenge. Rather, it's a 90-day challenge, all right? So if you don't have enough money to do that, cut your clothes according to your size. Let me put it that way. Let me use that word, okay? Save the one you can be able to afford. If what you can be able to afford is 500 naira every single day, go ahead and do it. If what you think you can afford to save is 200 naira or 100 naira or even 50 naira every single day, go ahead and do it. We just want to cultivate the culture or the mindset to be the mindset of saving, okay? Because if you can be able to save money, then that means you can be able to save, or you can be able to invest. That's what I want to say, okay? If you can be able to save money, then you can be able to invest. All right. So it takes someone that has money to be able to save. And why did I say that? The reason why I say that is that for you to be able to stay consistent throughout the 90-day challenge, you need to watch out the way you spend. All right. Yes, you need to cut down on your expenses. And that is one of the things that kept me going or is keeping me consistent throughout this 90-day challenge of saving and investing the sum of 1,000. But I must also add this: if you have more than that 1,000, remember, you can as well save more than 1,000. If you can be able to afford over 100,000 every single day to save it, go ahead and do it. All right. But the only thing I'm letting you know, or the tip I'm going to give both the people that can be able to afford up to 1,000 or less than 1,000 or over 1,000 naira, right? The tip that I'm going to give all of us for us to stay consistent throughout this 90-day challenge is for you to cut down on your expenses. Now, I got a DM, and the person was like, I'm checking through my expenses, 2,000 naira here, 2,500 naira there, 5,000 naira there, and my savings do not even have money in it. Talk more of to fund my daily savings, which is automated savings. And now, in case you are going to be asking, what does that person mean by automated saving? It is another way. I said it in my first day and second day of this challenge, right? So I said one of the things that is going to keep you consistent in this our 90-day challenge of saving and investing is by automating your saving. And how do you do that? Check any fintech platform you are going to be making use of in this challenge, be it PiggyVest, be it OPay, be it PamPay, be it Cowrywise. Any fintech platform you are going to be making use of in this challenge, I'm not recommending anyone. The one I'm using is Cowrywise. If you want to make use of the Cowrywise, beautiful. But I'm not here to tell you the one you are going to make use of. Just look around the fintech platform and then make a choice. So you are going to do it in a way that the fintech platform you are going to be using for this challenge, you are going to set an automation. You are going to automate your saving in a way that the platform you are going to be making use of, it is going to be debiting that amount you want to be saving every day from your local bank account and then send it over to that fintech platform. Our goal is not just to be able to save for throughout the 90 day. Our goal is also for us to get money while we are saving. And that is the reason why I said we should use fintech platform. So this fintech platform that I mentioned has a track record of paying you interest for saving money with them, right? Yes. So if, for example, you are going to be saving 1,000 naira every single day for the period of 90 days, you are not going to end up getting 90,000. Rather, you are going to get over 90,000 naira because the platform is going to be paying you interest. So how cool is that? They are paying you for you to save money. So that is the reason why I said we should make use of a fintech platform. All right. Yes. So automate your savings, cut down on your expenses, and you are going to be able to stay consistent throughout the 90-day challenge. I hope you gained something from this advice that I just gave you now. Now, if this is the first time you are coming across this challenge, and I want to let you know that you are not too late in case you are feeling that you are too late to join this challenge. Of course, this is just the day 3 and we have over 87 days more to go, right? So you are never too late. I want you to start today. So this is what I have for us in this day 3. And in case you are looking for more ways to make money for yourself, more ways your money can be able to make more money for you, then I recommend you to click on this video you are seeing on the screen right now, and I'll surely see you on the other side. Keep winning. Yes, keep winning, and always know that Leo loves you. And until when I'm going to see you on this video, we'll go again tomorrow.